A former Attleboro Police Sergeant learned his fate today after pleading guilty to child pornography charges. Richard Woodhead was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau was in court for today's emotional sentencing and has the latest now from our control room.
The 54-year-old former police officer cried as he apologized for his crime and cried again as he said goodbye to his family in court. Mr. Woodhead, anything to say? 34-year Attleboro police veteran Richard Woodhead silent as he walks into the federal courthouse to hear his fate. Anything to say to the people you protected and served? In Judge William Smith's courtroom, prosecutors explained how Woodhead used an alter ego with a different name to try to obtain child pornography. Someone else involved in the scheme was arrested, and the government said that alerted Woodhead to cancel a meeting with an undercover officer posing as someone who was going to give the cop porn. Prosecutors said after that, Woodhead began covering his tracks, prompting what would be a plea agreement for one charge of attempting to receive child pornography. Judge Smith and the U.S. attorney agreed he deserved more than 5 years since evidence showed he was about to pick up porn. But the judge told the defendant, "I'm not going to sentence you on speculation." Woodhead was not granted a request to turn himself in at a later date. So this was his last bit of freedom outside before he was taken to prison after a tearful goodbye to his family in the courtroom. Woodhead's attorneys told us their client is not a child predator and that there is no evidence that their client victimized children. The prosecutor emphasized in court, child porn is not a victimless crime since the children in the pictures and the videos are the victims. With the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.